Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. I got this beautiful autumn sign from Dollar Tree and it's got like nice plaid background and the colors are so beautiful, so I thought like I should embellish this a little more. So I don't like the shiny letters, so I'm just taking the sanding stone and scrubbing down all the shiny letters, and I'm going to paint them matte. Basically, I want to give a matte look to the whole board. I'm taking this brown paint from Dollar Tree. I'm taking a little bit of a brown paint on the tag of the same sign, and I'm going to anyways throw the tag, so I thought I'll use it for paint and soil it and then throw it. So I just took a small brush and I'm just drawing everywhere that shiny brown color is there, and I'm going to let it dry, and after dried it looks like this. I love the sunflowers that are in the bottom of this sign, so I'm going to attach these yellow and orange sunflowers on the board just to give like a pop-up flower from the board kind of a look. Now all the sunflowers are stuck the way I wanted, and I'm taking a piece of burlap ribbon, the brown color, and I'm going to hold the center like that and create like a rustic bow. Using a jute twine, I just created a bow. I just circled in the center to give like a bow look to it, and then I just stuck it with a dab of a hot glue, and I'm attaching that silver or metallic leaf back into the pumpkin. And I thought something is also missing, so I'm attaching a little bit of fall greenery on top of it. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Funday, and this is hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy and Trish and Kay from Crafting Cousins. I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. DIY number 2. And I'm using one of this beautiful flower pot which had nice sunflowers and some fall flowers and some fall leaves in there. I just loved it, and it's a very good price for $1. So I just picked it up, and I'm going to embellish this by attaching some of the sunflower decor pieces. I have this beautiful sunflower print ribbon on a black background, and I'm going to circle the top of the flower pot just like that, and just measuring the length of the flower pot, the circumference of the flower pot, and I'm going to cut that and then attach it with a dab of a hot glue. Isn't that pretty? I just wanted to add some more glamour to it, so I got this beautiful sunflower, pop-up stickers from sticker section of Dollar Tree, and I'm just attaching 2 of those stickers. Isn't that looking nice? I'm just loving it. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. DIY number 3. I got this beautiful fall green candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I'm planning to decorate this with some more sunflower decor pieces on it. And I have this yellow ribbon with the sunflower print on it, so I'm going to attach that, and yellow and green are looking so nice together. So I'm attaching with the dab of a hot glue around the candle holder, and I'm creating a bow with the same ribbon, and I'm going to attach it in the center. And also I'm planning to attach a small sunflower I got from Dollar Tree again. I tried with the white flower, then I thought yellow is looking better, so there it is. This is the final reveal of my autumn sunflower decor. I always wanted to do a sunflower decor for fall, so I grabbed this opportunity to do this, and I got this nice sign from Dollar Tree. It was kind of shiny, so I just made it matte by painting brown paint on top of it, and I just gave a burlap ribbons bow and some greenery on the top. I stuck some sunflowers in the bottom, and this flower pot already came with sunflowers. I wanted to include him also in this project. All I did was attach one of this beautiful sunflower ribbon from Dollar Tree, and attach some of this cute sunflower stickers from Dollar Tree, and this calls it completed. So I'm just loving this flower pot as well. It's so simple and easy. And the other one is this beautiful candle holder from Dollar Tree, and it's got like nice mossy green. All I did was just attach one of this yellow sunflower print ribbon around it, and I created a bow with a tiny sunflower on the top. So this is one of the simple and easy autumn sunflower decors that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.